like a garden waiting for the rain. The flowers had stopped their growing, and the sunshine fell far away. Then you came with gentle kindness, like a river flowing free. You planted love inside my spirit and brought new life back to me. Now every morning feels much brighter, every flower starts to bloom. Your love brought colors to my world and chased away the gloom. Your love made my garden grow with every seed of love you sow. You brought the sunshine, you brought the rain. You healed my heart and eased my pain. Your love made my garden grow more beautiful than you'll ever know. One heart, one love, one melody. Forever you will bloom in me. The palm trees dance beside the ocean. The island breeze calls your name. The reggae rhythm fills the evening, and my life will never be the same. Every flower tells a story, every leaf shines in the light. Since you walked into my garden, everything feels warm and right. You gave my dreams a place to blossom. You gave my soul a reason why. Now I see a world of beauty every time I look into your eyes. Your love made my garden grow with every seed of love you sow. You brought the sunshine, you brought the rain. You healed my heart and eased my pain. Your love made my garden grow more beautiful than you'll ever know. One heart, one love, one melody. Forever you will bloom in me. When the storms come across the island and the clouds cover the blue, I remember all the blessings that began the day I found you. Like a flower after rainfall, like a sunrise after night. Your love keeps my heart shining. Your love keeps my world bright. No garden grows without the seasons. No flower blooms without the sun. Our love has grown through every moment, and our journey has just begun. Through every ocean, every valley, through every road we see, I'll keep protecting this beautiful garden that your love created in me. Colors, every flower reaching high. The birds are singing our love story underneath the endless sky. The beauty all around me is a gift I never knew. The greatest flower in my garden will always be you. Your love made my garden grow a beautiful place my heart can know. Forever I was searching through the endless roads, carrying dreams and heavy loads. I wondered if a love so true would ever find its way to me too. Then you came like the morning light, turning my darkness into bright. With your smile and your gentle heart, you gave my life a brand new start. Now every sunrise feels complete, every moment feels so sweet. The world is bright, the skies are blue, because my heart belongs to you. You brought forever into my heart, a love that time can't tear apart. Like the ocean holding the shore, I love you more and more and more. You brought forever into my heart, a beautiful dream from the very start. One love, one soul, one destiny. Forever you'll be here with me. The palm trees dance beneath the sky, the waves are singing as they pass by. The island breeze feels soft and warm, your love became my shelter from storms. The reggae rhythm fills the night with peaceful sounds and golden light. Every star above the sea reminds me of your love for me. Every flower blooms much brighter, every day my heart feels lighter. The beauty of this life I see is because you're here with me. You brought forever into my heart, a love that time can't tear apart. Like the ocean holding the shore, I love you more and more and more. You brought forever into my heart, a beautiful dream from the very start. One love, one soul, one destiny. Forever you'll be here with me. When the rain falls across the island and the clouds cover the sun, I remember all the happiness and the love that we have won. Through every season, every year, I'll keep your precious heart near. No distance, no changing tide could ever take you from my side. Like the moon that lights the ocean, like the stars that never fade. Our love is a beautiful promise, a memory that we have made. Through every high and every low, together we will always grow. Hand in hand our hearts will stay forever and always, every day. Now I wake up with a grateful heart, knowing we were meant from the start. The island sings a sweeter song, because with you is where I belong. Every sunrise, every sea brings another blessing to me. The greatest treasure I've ever found is the love that keeps me safe and sound. You brought forever into my heart, a love that shines like a morning star. Every wave and every breeze carries your love across the seas. You brought forever into my heart, a love that will never fall apart. One love, one dream eternally. Forever you'll be my melody. The ocean whispers of you, every day feels like heaven says. I remember days without a reason, walking through the world alone, searching for a little sunshine, searching for a place called home. Then you came like a morning blessing, like the first light after the rain. You brought warmth into my heart and took away my pain. Now every sunrise feels much brighter, every moment feels brand new. The beauty that surrounds me always leads me back to you. Because of you, every day feels like heaven. Every breath feels like a gift from above. The ocean sings a sweeter song when I'm surrounded by your love. Because of you, every day feels like heaven. My heart has found a place to stay. One love, one dream, one melody, forever you light my way. The palm trees dance beneath the sunlight, the waves are shining deep and blue. The island breeze feels like a blessing every time it passes through. The reggae rhythm fills the evening with a feeling so warm and true. Every beautiful thing I see reminds me of you. The stars above are shining brighter, the moon is glowing in the sky. Every little piece of magic shows me why our love can fly. Because of you, every day feels like heaven. Every breath feels like a gift from above. The ocean sings a sweeter song when I'm surrounded by your love. Because of you, every day feels like heaven. My heart has found a place to stay. One love, one dream, one melody, forever you light my way. When the storms come to the island and the clouds begin to fall, your love becomes my shelter, the strength that carries it all. Like the rainbow after rainfall, like the sunrise after night, you remind me every morning that everything will be alright. No treasure from the ocean, no diamond from the sea could ever be more precious than what you mean to me. Through every season, every journey, through every road we take, I'll cherish every moment and every memory we made. Now I wake up with a smile, thankful for this love I found. The world feels beneath my dreams rise. I was sailing through a world of silence, searching for a place to belong. The waves were calling from the distance, waiting for the sound of a song. Then you came like a gentle ocean, calm and peaceful as the tide. You became the hope I was seeking, the love I needed by my side. Now every morning brings a blessing, every sunset feels brand new. The beauty of this life around me always leads me back to you. Your love is the ocean beneath my dreams, the deepest place my heart has ever seen. Like endless waves across the sea, your love keeps carrying me. Your love is the ocean beneath my dreams, a paradise beyond what it seems. One heart, one love, one melody, forever you belong with me. The palm trees dance along the shoreline, the island breeze is soft and sweet. The reggae rhythm fills the evening, moving gently with our heartbeat. Every star that shines above us, every wave that reaches the sand, reminds me of the love we share and the beauty of your hand. Through every season, every journey, through every road that we may find, your love will always be my shelter, the peace that lives inside my mind. Your love is the ocean beneath my dreams, the deepest place my heart has ever seen. Like endless waves across the sea, your love keeps carrying me. Your love is the ocean beneath my dreams, a paradise beyond what it seems. One heart, one love, one melody, forever you belong with me. When the storms come across the water and the skies are turning gray, I will hold on to your loving promise, knowing we will find our way. Like the moon that guides the ocean, like the stars that light the night, your love will always guide my journey and lead me toward the light. No treasure hidden in the deep blue sea could ever mean as much to me. No golden shore, no distant land could replace your loving hand. You are the dream I always knew, the endless ocean of love so true. Because with you is where I belong. The future shines like morning sunlight, a beautiful beneath the ocean of love with you. You made my Caribbean heart smile. I was walking through the island mornings, watching waves come to the shore, searching for a little happiness, wondering what life had in store. And you came like a summer sunrise, with a love so warm and true. You brought laughter to my silence, and painted my world brand new. Now the breeze feels so much sweeter, and the skies are shining bright. Every moment feels like magic since you came into my life. You made my Caribbean heart smile. You brought me joy in every mile, like the ocean dancing in the sun. You remind me life has just begun. You made my Caribbean heart smile, with your love that stays a while. One heart, one love, one melody, forever you will be with me. Trees sway beside the water, the reggae rhythm fills the air. Every sunset looks more beautiful because I know that you are there. The flowers bloom a little brighter, the stars shine more above the sea. Every little piece of paradise feels like it was made for me. Every sunrise brings a blessing, every night brings peace and grace. The whole island feels alive now, since I found your loving embrace. You made my Caribbean heart smile. You brought me joy in every mile, like the ocean dancing in the sun. You remind me life has just begun. You made my Caribbean heart smile, with your love that stays a while. One heart, one love, one melody, forever you will be with me. Oh, oh. When the rain falls on the island and the clouds cover the blue, I still feel the warmth around me, because my happiness is you. Like a rainbow after rainfall, like the sunrise after night, you became the sweetest reason my world is filled with light. No treasure beneath the ocean, no gold across the land, could ever match the feeling of holding your loving hand. Through every season, every journey, through every road we see, you are the song my heart keeps singing, the rhythm inside of me. Now I wake up with a smile, thankful for the love I found. The island sings a sweeter song, with happiness all around. The waves keep telling our story, the breeze keeps calling your name. Since you came into my life, nothing will ever be the same. You made my Caribbean heart smile. You made my whole world worthwhile. The palm trees sway, the waters shine. Your love is forever on my mind. My heart will always know it's true. Paradise begins with you. Paradise begins with you. Because of you, my life became beautiful. I remember the days before you came, when every road looked just the same. The sun would rise, the world would turn, but my heart had so much left to learn. Then you walked into my story, like a sunrise after the night. You brought a warmth I never knew, and filled my world with light. Now every morning feels like a blessing, every moment feels brand new. The beauty that surrounds me is because I found you. Because of you, my life became beautiful. Like a rainbow after the rain. Every sunrise shines much brighter, and I smile again. Because of you, my life became beautiful. You gave my heart a reason to believe. One love, one heart, one melody. You are the dream I see. The ocean waves sound sweeter now. The palm trees dance beneath the sky. The island breeze feels like a blessing every time it passes by. The reggae rhythm tells our story, a love so gentle and true. Every beautiful thing around me reminds me of you. Flowers bloom with more color, the stars shine more at night. You turn my ordinary moments into a world of light. Because of you, my life became beautiful. Like a rainbow after the rain. Every sunrise shines much brighter, and I smile again. Because of you, my life became beautiful. You gave my heart a reason to believe. One love, one heart, one melody. You are the dream I see. When the storms come across the ocean and the clouds cover the blue, I know I can face tomorrow because I have you. Like the moon that lights the water, like the stars above the sea. Your love is the gentle light that keeps guiding me. No treasure from the deepest ocean, no gold beneath the sand could ever be more precious than holding your hand. Through every season, every journey, through every road we choose, I'll always be thankful for the love I found in you. Now every sunset feels amazing, every sunrise feels so new. The world has more colors around me since the day I found you. My heart is full of gratitude for the happiness you bring. You turned my life into a song and gave my soul a reason to sing. Because of you, my life became beautiful, more than I ever dreamed it could be. Every ocean, every island feels like paradise to me. Because of you, my life became beautiful, forever grateful, forever true. One love, one dream, eternally. My beautiful life is you. The waves keep rolling, palm trees sway, love keeps shining every day. My heart will always know it's true. Life became beautiful because of you.